Hey traders, in this video today we're going to be talking about the open position that I just exited. I did have a previous video on my channel that I was in three positions: Nano, IOTA, and Ripple. So in this video we're going to be talking about Ripple. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, I got in at XRP at 8100. And it actually shot up about 13% to 9,300. I was asleep during this time, but I was keeping a close eye. Every single structure that it created, I definitely had an eye on it. So right over here, it started kind of just trading sideways for a couple of hours. And I had set an alarm at around this price right here, 8,900, almost 9. And if it broke that particular price, then I had an alarm which notified me, and I ran to my computer and I just started checking the price, because if you see this red line right here, where it's currently at, if it were to break that support, in which it did, it actually went inside this value channel again. I really wanted to get out. That means that this structure has been broken. The bias may not be bullish anymore. It might, you know, it might be more of a bearish bias. So, like I said, it kind of touched this value channel again, and I just didn't feel comfortable. I've been in positions where I'm up 40%, and I literally end up cashing out at 3%. Because sellers step in and just bring the price all the way down. And you don't want that. You always want to, number one, you always want to protect your capital. And number two, well, you want to make profit, right? So yeah, I could have made 13% on this, but when I woke up at this screen, I woke up around this green bar. I saw this green bar, and I figured that it would probably touch back up over here again. And buyers might step in and bring the price back up. But just given the fact that it didn't hold up here, it broke this structure, I really didn't feel all that comfortable. And if you would have seen the order book, you would have probably seen what I've seen, right? It was just, the price action was crazy. It was very, very, very volatile, and both participants were I'm sorry, both sellers and buyers were participating in the market. So from 8,100, I actually ended up with, I sold around there, 88.19. So I ended up with 8% when I could have ended up with 13%, right? But those are the things that happen in trading. You got to just know when to take profit, and really just listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. My intuition told me that I should have probably cashed out around here, but I respected my stop, right? If you calculate this, you can see, okay, price range. Let's just say in this bar right here. So it retraced about 4% before I ended up cashing out, which is fine. You can even consider that a trailing stop loss, because I would move up my stop loss manually each time it hit a new channel, right? So I'm okay with 8%. I could have gone more, but I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take my profits and just deal with it. I should have known. BTC is actually pretty stable. It's having a green day right now. It's at about 6,600. I would love for BTC to break this right here, shoot back up and surpass the 6,700 mark. Maybe break into 68 or 7K, and I would really hope that the other positions that I have, Nano and IOTA, would shoot up as well and give me some upside, rather than consolidating. And again, I have my timers. If you see, I have my alerts right over here, so I can get notified if this goes down to a particular level, to a particular channel, then I'm gonna get out, right? Because the number one rule in trading is protecting your capital. So always remember that. But again, I just wanted to, share a little bit more on my trades, on my positions that I had from a couple of days ago. I really hope you like this video and you benefit from it. Please be careful out there. This is a very volatile market, and just analyze before entering a trade, analyze after entering a trade. And again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is simply just my particular journey in the world of trading, and just sharing some golden nuggets that I come across, both by participating in the market and just things I've learned along the way from mentors and stuff like that. So again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like button. Please make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Go ahead and let me know. Put it down on the comment section down below, and I'll definitely get to it as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you guys for listening, and I'll see you next time.